Hi, my name is Devang Shah and I'm from Channel Tech Systems Private Limited. We manufacture cables in the CCTV, networking, security industry, and we are based out of Mumbai, and we have distributors all across India, pan-India, and we are very well entrenched in the dealer and the distribution segment of India. Yeah, so we manufacture cables for the CCTV industry, for the networking industry, for access control, for fire alarms. We've got cables for the communication industry. So a full plethora of cables that we have. So for manufacturing in the last 4 to 5 years, we are seeing a dramatic shift, especially after Modi ji's Make in India schemes which came out. We are seeing a big focus coming on to Indian manufacturing segment. The reliance or the dependency on China has specifically reduced, and we are seeing customers a lot more open and promoting Indian brands, truly Indian brands, and that is very encouraging for us. 2 or 3 things which I wanted to share. The first thing is, from our standpoint, we listen to our customers. We have been understanding the problems at the grassroots level. So one of the unique cables that we have actually manufactured is specifically the lift cables. And these lift cables for CCTV industry are very unique. Not many players make this. So one of them is the Cat6 flat CCTV cable, which is used for IP cameras within lifts and elevators. So as more and more focus is going on security, and especially in closed areas like lifts, this cable becomes very crucial. It takes care of the different vibrations and the wherewithal of the lift which is going up and down. So this is one of the innovative products which we came out, and even the big brands like Mitsubishi and Otis are sourcing this cable directly from us. More and more digitization is happening. The biggest growth you will see in the networking side of things, because you need to connect people, connect things. As IoT, which is Internet of Things, is happening, you require more and more connectivity. So for connectivity, either you go wireless or wired. So there is more and more demand coming in for wired solutions as well, apart from the wireless which is going on. So we are seeing a lot of growth both domestically as well as for our exports market as well. So the game changer right now which is happening is in the cable industry, new cables are getting innovated for the solar industry, for electrical vehicles. So in electric vehicles, specialized cables are getting manufactured. It's a big boom which is happening in that industry. Also, as 5G and 6G is being talked about, more and more high bandwidth cables are getting manufactured as well. So from Cat6, now the new standards are coming up, which is Cat6A, Cat7, Cat8, and all of that is right now, as we speak, is getting manufactured and exported out of India. So that's one big thing. Now, as cars are getting more and more connected, they also want these specialized communication cables which transmit both power as well as the signals through the same media. So yeah, a lot of innovation happening there. We are actually doing a lot of customized solutions for, say for example, Mumbai Metro, where they were having a challenge where they wanted a cable which is rodent proof. So we use certain specialized PVC material which repels the rodents. We customize this for our customer, and this is just one example. Second, I told you about the lift cables, where a regular design was already available. We had to customize that design to suit the requirements for the lift industry. So we've got a range of solutions in the customized domain as well. The question is not will India become a manufacturing hub. The question is when will it become? Because we are already doing one of the biggest manufacturing exports of mobile phones. So we are already world number 2. Same way, if you look at the number of cars, if you look at the way we are growing in the EV segment, so we are there. What we now need to do is, as government is now focused more on, upcoming fields like semiconductors, electronics, manufacturing, all of this helps to build the ecosystem. Because unless, we have a very strong ecosystem, right from, all the individual subcomponents to the ports, to the number of, connectivities, we will struggle. So the good thing is government is taking all the right steps in building these ecosystems, for manufacturing hubs. So I'm fully confident that, this is the best time, and very soon you will see, India growing into a very, very big manufacturing power. I just want to, pass on this message that, this is the best time for India, where both India is growing. Our consumption, internal consumption is growing at an unprecedented pace. Our market standing in the international markets is also growing very, very quickly. So we are giving a very, very tough competition to our friends at China. So I just want to leave this message that, let's do our best and make India proud.
For more information, please visit www.ncnonline.net.